Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the channel that goes behind the scenes and interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're going to be doing another Tech Tuesday, and again, as always, if you guys like any of the videos that Brian and I are doing, make sure that you do subscribe. You'll get notifications on whenever we may be putting out some Tech Tuesday helpful editing tips and or interviews. And any of the segments that we're going to be putting out there, you guys will receive notifications on what's new and what's up and coming. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about we talked about some of the transitions in some of our other editing videos, and we had some comments and some emails asking us a little bit about video transition and some of the blending, and what I'll get into that here in 1 second here and talk about how to blend and overlay videos. And this is just going to be the basic kind of 101 of it. We can get into more segments as far as overlaying videos and how to transition some of the videos too as well. So today we're just going to be kind of showing you how to basically overlay a video. So we have the video here on your top timeline. So if you're doing a video and you have one below it, and this is one we just did for the Vets Day, and you can put make sure that your main, if you're doing an interview, your main one's on the top and then your second one is on the bottom. This is a flag picture video that we implemented in with ours. So let's say we want to kind of tie those in, and let's say we wanted to blend it so you could kind of see it even when within this video when Corey is here talking. And like I said, we used 2 or 3 different screens. So right now trying to show you on just the one main screen. We can't show you everything, but we'll try to let you see this. And if you guys are out there editing and you have dual split screens, it does work a lot easier, especially within DaVinci when you do have 2 screens. So you'll click on the inspector and you'll see in here there's an audio button for setting all your audios and everything. We'll get into that into the sound settings, probably helpful tips video. But you'll see here the link here for the video transparency or transform, whatever you want to utilize, zoom, position, angle. You can go in and you can change all these. So the top video that is on top of as you see here, the flag one here. So this is the main video. If you wanted to have that flag show up a little bit, this link will actually lighten the top video, and you'll see how it gets lighter. You see the flag in the background now. So if I click back off the inspector, you can actually see the flag coming through. So if you wanted to, make it so it's not as light, about 89%, you'll still see the flag back there. So you can kind of create any video that's behind that and make the flag maybe bigger and enlarge that. And we'll talk about that in other video segments and editing. But that's just a quick 101, just a quick tutorial on how to get the other video back there to play, is to just dim down the top video. I mean, you can actually dim it all the way down if you want, or however you want to do that. But there's all kinds of little tricks and tips throughout DaVinci, and this is just one other one that we have for you guys to show you, and hopefully this helps and you can kind of mix, blend, create your own videos, and DaVinci is great for that, and there are other editing programs out there that are good as well. So we do hope this helps you, and if there's anything else out there that you may need some help on, let us know, throw it in the comments. So we'll see you guys on the next one.